धन्यवाद. Now, Sri Ahamed Hassan. Ahamed Hassan. Yes, please.
Sir, I am raising 4 issues. The first issue I am raising is on ban on common drugs. In March,
Yes, please proceed. Bolia, please speak.
Sir, my first issue is ban on common drugs. In March 2016, it's not working.
Yes, please speak.
Sir, my first issue is on ban on common drugs. In March 2016, the Government of India issued a notification banning 344 fixed drug combination, which include some common carb mixture solution, analgesics, and antibiotics combination, which are sold over the counter. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister what kind of measures the government is taking to ensure that this ban is implemented in letter and spirit. Also, have the state government been taken on board for executing the same? Also, have the state governments have been taken on board for executing the same? My question number 2 to the Minister is status of the Interministerial Committee. In July 2015, Supreme Court asked Centre to set up Interministerial Committee comprising representatives from DIPP, Ministry of Health, NPPA, and Department of Pharmaceuticals to look into the pricing of medicines. The last drug price control order was in 2013, and that one before that was in 1995. What is the current status of this committee? Is the drug price control order going to be revised as per current market requirements? My third question is for the Honorable Minister is regarding legal compliance. Indian pharma industry has been facing the heat from the US Food and Drug Administration for non-compliance of regulatory framework. Many domestic generic drug makers have faced action, including Sun Pharma and Wockhardt. Furthermore, the Honorable Minister of Commerce and Industry in a written reply stated that 29 cases of fraud have been reported in the special economic zones. This has a serious impact on patients who depend on life-saving drugs.
Okay.
What is the government doing to ensure compliance of regulatory framework, especially under Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act and related laws? Why is the current regulatory framework failing to meet quality and legal standards? My last question to the Minister is regarding pharma patents and export to developing countries. In the past month, there have been reports that India is following US-style patent protection and pharmaceuticals, and that there is pressure to limit India's export to developing countries, especially those in the African continent. India is currently one of the leaders in export of global generics and competes directly with the big pharma.
No.
Big pharma
No, please.
companies in making
No
medicine
statement.
affordable.
Okay.
Apparently developing countries.
All right, time over.
My question is,
Time over. How many questions?
Have been made stricter in India?
Okay.
Is the government planning to introduce changes in the intellectual property law or voluntary
Sri
planning?
Shantaram Naik, please.
Voluntary planning laws that will diminish export to generic
Okay,
drugs.
fine.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
You put a half a dozen question and then even continuing with
those
statement.
who are bound